Now we are stitching this prince line 1. Okay, both the correct side are inside, both the wrong side are outside. Like this you have to go on stitch on half inch. You have to stitch till full down. Double stitch you have to put. See here now, as you can see, our stitching is done of both. Okay, double stitches we have put. After that you have to just give little cuts like we give for the neck, right? Same like that, little cuts, because they will be round, no? So now after that we will be cutting our neck. Okay, first you have to mark. Now in the previous one we had already cut our neck by design, so that piece only we will keep here. See, now we will be keeping the same lining neck to this and cut same shape. This is only the front part one. Back we will cut normal round only for both. Okay, now so we are cutting back neck round only. Our both neck are cut now. Next step we have to stitch our neck. So as you have remembered, on the second top we did right shoulder stitching. In the lining top, the seam we have to repeat here. First you have to keep one lining, above that one main piece. So this is the main piece. This is another main piece, but you have to keep it reverse so that the correct sides are together. Okay, like this you have to do. Then you have to keep front neck, you have to keep like that only. Okay, and back lining you have to take front side only. So both the lining should be together and both the main piece should be together. See now, as you can see here, front side both sides are together, but back ones are, one is this side, one is that side. So like this you have to keep. Okay, and stitch the shoulder on half inch, only shoulder. On half inch you have to stitch. Double stitch you have to put. Like this. Okay, here you have to put double stitch. Now here, as you can see, we have stitched our shoulder and sleeves. So our sleeves is ready. Now we have to do fitting. Now fitting is, we have to start from our sleeves round, come to arms, do the chest fitting width, and we have to stop till waist. Like we did on the first day normal top, right? The same way we have to do till waist. Okay, not, you should not go full down, till waist you have to stop. See here now, as you can see, we have stitched this side part till waist, or the fold pieces are together. Okay, then next our step is, we have to leave the lining and take our main piece where we have stopped, right? From there you have to start stitching like this. Okay, so we have to leave the lining from both sides and start stitching. Even here only main piece will come, as you can see. Same you have to repeat on both sides. Now as you can see, we have finished the stitch. Now what we have to do is, we have to take the lining. I got tap tap. Are you?